We know it's really hard, but hopefully it'll end soon. So without further ado, let's get started!
Yay!
We got this phone yesterday because of Easter and Vaisakhi, and we chose to make a video on it just so we could inform you guys about the really cool features and about this really cool, beautiful looking phone.
So first we're going to cleaning box with wipes.
This phone is so cool.
Yeah. If I take a closer look on the side, it's pretty nice, black and shiny. And the other side, it says iPhone. So I forgot to say on the other side too.
Wow, it has 3 cameras. I've heard that one of the cameras show you the selfie and the other 2 show you what's happening on the front.
Yeah, that looks really neatly.
Yes, so we're gonna open this. This phone is 64 GB, which is a lot of storage. So we're just going to unwrap this, and wow, the box is quite cool.
It's more better than before with the plastic.
And it is pitch black from the side, and the phone, I think it is a dark grayish black shade.
Well, if I see over here, it is gray.
Wow, I saw this really cool shine. Whoa, this phone looks like another mirror to me. It's that shiny. So these are the 3 cameras, the flashlight, and I think this is the other flashlight right there. And this is the Apple logo. Like every other phone, there's always an Apple watermark right here, but this phone's so cool that they don't have one, which is quite cool. And the volume button's right here. So we're just going to open this.
Could I take a closer look, please?
Yeah, sure.
If I take a closer look, this looks actually really shiny. Even the front screen.
Wow, the cool thing is there's no home button, which is quite cool too.
Yeah.
So we're gonna put this aside and look at what we got in this box. So as usual, we got these 2 stickers that we get with every single Apple, iPhone, or iPad. They're pretty cool, right?
If I see, it is nice white. Take a closer look.
And then here it shows, this is a pamphlet where you could learn how to use your phone and all that. It says it's designed by Apple in California as well. And these are the instructions how to use it and the pamphlet.
Because this phone tells you about how to use it. Because some people don't know.
Now we got the earpods. They're not actual AirPods. They're not wireless. They do have a wire on it. So these are pretty shiny too.
Yeah.
A lot. And the charger is way different. It's not like any other charger. It's way bigger. It looks like an iPad charger and it's quite white. Especially here, it changed.
And if I also could say, it is quite bigger than other chargers how I see, but this is my first time I've seen one looking like this.
And this is also quite different because it doesn't have the big USB looking thing right here, if you guys know what I mean. And they both are the same. So yeah, that was pretty cool, especially this phone. Then okay, now we're just gonna take. So let's unwrap this together.
Great choice. Whoa, it's more shinier than I think it is.
Wow, it's so shiny. I could even see some rainbow lights in it.
I could see myself inside. From the
Wow. So at the back, the sticker, except for being over here, it's a bit downwards, and which is quite cool. And the camera is just amazing.
And I could still see the 3 cameras.
The side looks cool too. It's more shiny and has a mirror reflection look.
Yeah, it does look shiny from here. And this is the turn off button. It's not on the top if you see. And these are the volume buttons.
And the mute button right there. So that is quite cool.
How it looks when we turn it on.
Here, let me try. So it still has our Apple logo.
It's pretty white.
It's cool. The background is black like every other phone. Almost every other phone.
But I also noticed that over here, but when I looked on the box or behind the phone, it was like a multicolor of the apple, but not over here.
It's also really thin and wide, which is really cool.